Hi, my beautiful Geminis. Welcome back to Tarot Talks. Hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. Gemini, today we are going to do the reading for your sign for the month of December 2020, the last month finally of this very much eventful and memorable year. Please note that this is a collective reading like always, so it might not resonate with all, so please take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay, also do not also do not forget to check other placements in your birth chart to get a clear and better understanding of overall picture. So Geminis, while I was shuffling for you guys, the dominant energies that I was experiencing was that of someone being a little impatient, a little reckless, someone who is really agitated over something or someone. Okay, someone is being a little stubborn. Okay, it's someone is sitting in the energy of my way or highway, that kind of energy. um, and someone is really agitated over something. Okay, also I feel that you guys are like, it's like you have too many things to do and you are a little, you're sitting in the energy of anticipation. How will I manage, I have to finish so many things. Will I be able to manage? How will I manage things? That kind of anxiety I was experiencing. Yeah, so let's get started, guys. Let's see what messages we have for you for this month of 2020, December 2020, I mean. Okay, shift the cards a bit over here. The energy at the bottom of the deck is Queen of Swords. I'm not surprised to see this Queen. 10 of Wands. Wow. Endings, beginnings, balance. Yep. So I'll stop at that, guys. Wow, World card. Some karmic lessons learned here. Someone has learned their lessons. Someone has come to a full circle in terms of some chapter of their life. Okay. Yeah, so let's get started, guys. The energy, your present energy is Four of Pentacles. Now this could be you guys, holding back information, keeping up to himself or herself. Okay, this could also be you saving some money. Okay, saving some money for maybe you have some long-term goals for which you want to save money, and that is precisely what you are doing. But this is also you, I feel, guys, you are keeping up to yourself. You are not sharing your information, or you're not sharing things with fellow beings. Maybe at work front. I think this is more at work front. You are keeping up to yourself. That kind of energy I can see over here. The energy crossing is that of Seven of Wands. Definitely some conflicts, and I really feel this is at your workplace situation. There are some conflicts happening. There is some unhealthy competition probably. Someone is being too egoistic. Okay, a little snobbish over here, and maybe that is the reason why you are preferring to keep up to yourself at workplace. This is what I am experiencing, or this is what I am feeling for some of you guys over here. In your in your recent past, there's this Wheel of Fortune. Now this is a big life event that has happened to you guys. Something major has happened to you guys. Maybe some of you guys might have entered a new relationship, got married, got a new job, moved abroad, shifted careers, something, some major event I feel, and a positive one that I feel that the wheel has rolled or moved for you one level up in this life cycle. Yeah, interesting energy, guys. in your future there was this nine of pentacles. Now this definitely is you. Now this is making me think, this wheel of fortune and this nine of pentacles, I feel that some of you guys are now here I can see two different energies. Some of you guys might have come out of a relationship and now you have become single. Maybe that was a long term in relationship that you have ended or you have just moved out of, and now you have become single. Okay, and some of you guys also could be manifesting something. Okay, you guys are really wishing for something in terms of maybe a new job, career, promotion, something like of that sort, and I think you guys are very close to getting that, is what I see over here. But definitely single, happy, content wherever you are. The energy crowning you, the energy at your subconscious level is that of King of Swords. Now there is King of Swords and Queen of Swords both over here. So I feel guys, I feel that some of you guys are entering into a into some verbal spat with someone. Okay, and both of you guys, both the parties involved in this are quite egoistic. No one is willing to take a back foot or back seat or compromise. That kind of energy I see. Both of them have raised their swords and they are like, okay, each one is standing or holding on to their position and their stand, saying I am right, that kind of energy I'm experiencing over here. Yeah, and that's quite a tricky situation, guys. If both the parties are adamant and stubborn, if there is any problem, I don't know how you guys are will come to a consensus or reach to a solution over that. The energy crowning you guys is that of High Priestess in reverse. Now this definitely is your energy, guys. You are off balance right now. Please forgive me for the noise coming from outside. There is some construction going on and I can't really help it. So anyway, now coming back to this, High Priestess in reverse is telling me that you guys are really off balance, off track. You are, like I said, I was feeling that energy of agitation and anxiety. I feel that you guys really need to calm down. Okay, whatever it is, whatever that is bothering you, whatever has happened recently, please do not let that affect you in a wrong way. Okay, it is definitely rubbing you in a wrong way. You're not taking things in your stride, or you're not handling the situation calmly, guys. You're very much agitated is what I see. Please don't let that happen. Okay, just calm down. Yeah, the energy or the advice is that of Four of Swords. Now since this card has come into the advice card, I would say the universe is trying to tell you to just relax, just relax and let the energies settle and let the solutions come to you. Okay, right now you're thinking a lot about something, you're thinking a lot about some issue. Okay, maybe you guys are I really feel that you guys, now this is an advice card, so maybe the universe wants you to cut ties with whatever that is bothering you. Just put an end to whatever that is bothering you. Okay, now there is King of Swords and Queen of Swords, Lord of Swords. This is your energy, guys. This is definitely a fellow air sign. This could be you, or you are dealing with another air sign only. Okay, Gemini, Libra, another air sign for sure. So basically the universe wants you to put an end to whatever it is. Okay, if the relationship is toxic, just cut ties. Okay, if any person or any energy surrounding you is toxic to you or pulling your energies down, just put an end to it. That is what I am strongly getting over here. It's not worth it. Okay, it's not worth it. Argument is not worth it, is what I am getting over here. In your external influences, there's this Four of Wands. This is interesting. Now some of you guys are maybe you guys will attend some social event happening in your friends or family. Okay, maybe some wedding, maybe some engagement, some sort of social gathering, or there is going to be some event that will lead to this celebration. Okay, you guys will be celebrating something, some event that has occurred in your life. Yeah, this is a good energy to be in. external influence in your in your hopes and fears. This is Page of Pentacles, unexpected communication, something, some messages, some mail, some information that has come to you at an unexpected time. Okay, you are not expecting it. Okay, you got that message, maybe at work front, maybe maybe a job opportunity, maybe some news, maybe new project, new assignment coming your way. But this is something which is going to be like a pleasant surprise for you guys, and I'm really happy for this. I'm really happy that you have got this card. This is a lovely energy, guys. Very much vibrant energy, very much I feel that this is something related to material gains. Okay, something, you might expect some money coming towards you, you know, a communication that is indicating that some money is coming towards you, more money coming towards you, you know, that kind of energy I'm getting over here. Seven of Pentacles is your outcome. Now this is you waiting for something. Now interesting, now this Page of Pentacles, this Seven of Pentacles and Nine of Pentacles. If you guys are waiting for a new job opportunity, I guess you guys are about to get that. I think you have given some interview, or you know, you are waiting for that job opening, or you are waiting to that communication to come through, and I think you are at the brink of manifesting that thing. Okay, that wish fulfillment is going to happen. This could also be you waiting for your promotion. Maybe it's like you have done your hard work, you have worked really hard over the year, and now you are waiting for that communication from the higher management about your promotion or that hike or something in terms of material world. And it's a very good energy to be in, guys, and I somehow feel you're going to get it, because there is that Nine of Pentacles, there's this Wheel of Fortune. Let's talk about your overall energy. This is you again, Ten of Swords, endings. Someone has backstabbed you, and maybe that is what is agitated, that is what has agitated you. Okay, but definitely ending something. Okay, closing one chapter of your life for sure. And this incident has taught you some lessons, you know, even the experience was bitter, it has taught you some lessons a little hard way. Yeah, it was not easy. I'm very sure it was not easy. Two of Wands. Now some of you guys are planning travel. Okay, some of you guys are planning something. Okay, you are planning some move, you are planning maybe to relocate somewhere, maybe you are waiting for something, you have researched, you're researching something, you're studying for something, and definitely you guys are waiting for something, you know, you are prepared for the next move is what I see. Maybe travel for some of you guys. Temperance. Wow, now this is Sagittarius card. Now you guys are, I feel that this is the angels, this is the universe asking you to balance things out. Balance is definitely lagging in your energies currently, guys, so please balance things out. Don't get too emotional, don't get too rational, don't get hyper. Okay, just balance things out, meditate a little. The High Priestess in reverse is telling me that you are completely off track right now. The universe is with you, by the way, guys. Yeah, Eight of Pentacles. This is definitely you. Like I said, you guys have really worked hard in terms of your career or whatever it is. You have worked hard to achieve your goals. Now, this is the sequence that I was talking about. Seven of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles, and Nine of Pentacles. Now, this definitely is definitely you guys, you know, putting your sweat and blood and soul into whatever that work or whatever that assignment or whatever that business of yours is. Okay, and now once that you have sown the seeds, you're waiting to reap the results. Okay, that's the energy I'm getting, and I am very sure you'll be getting whatever you are expecting. You know, the hard work is going to pay off is what I feel over here. World. Wow, definitely some karmic lessons learned over here. Okay, some karmic lessons learned, some major events have happened to you guys. Okay, and the wheel of your life has moved on to another phase. You know, you have entered or you are about to enter a new phase of your life, guys. Definitely there are new beginnings after the endings, and I really feel strongly that some of you guys are planning travel, and this could be an overseas travel. Okay, this could be traveling across the globe, maybe for work purpose. Maybe some of you guys are getting married and relocating, maybe you're relocating for your career purpose, but definitely some of you guys are going to travel overseas and you're preparing yourself for that. Lovely and very strong energy, very strong energy. Let's see what we have for you guys from this beautiful day. Okay guys, this card fell down. Now didn't I say you, such a beautiful card, a new dawn. The worst is now behind you and positive new experiences are on the horizon. What a lovely card guys. You guys, like I said, definitely you are moving up the cycle in this lifetime. Okay, you are about to close one chapter and beginning or headed towards new chapter, new beginnings, fresh start, be it at personal front or be it at professional front. And I am so happy for you guys. So even if the situations, events were painful, that's how life is, but the good news is at least you are headed for new beginnings. Okay, and good ones is at that is what I see over here. Okay, that's what. Luck is on your side. Wow, Geminis. I'm really happy for you guys. This is a lovely reading. Really lovely reading. What do I say? This card is self-explanatory, So all I'll say is nothing to worry, guys. Even if the endings were painful, know that bright future awaits you, okay? And I am so happy for you to have pulled these cards for you guys. So Geminis, I'll leave it at that. I hope you like this reading. So if this reading resonates with you, please hit the like button, drop comments and let me know your experiences. Okay, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Also guys, I have added a few new reading options, so please check the readings page of my website. I'll be adding the link in the description box. Okay, so I'll see you guys next year directly. So I wish you a very, very happy and prosperous new year. Take care, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.